Aina, what is technical debt? Great question, and this is another term which took me for like a few months to figure out what it is when I started my career as a project manager and Scrum Master in technical projects. So let me Google it quickly for you. The definition I found on Wikipedia when I just started. So the technical debt is an actual or a contingent liability whose impact is limited to internal system qualities. I remember myself reading it a few times and still didn't make any sense. So I talked to a few developers from my team, and before I didn't know just one term, technical debt. After speaking to each of them, I kept adding new 5 to 15 terms to my technical grocery without having any idea what these terms mean. So to make the story short, eventually I figured out for myself the analogy of technical debt. So technical debt is like borrowing money and paying the interest to the bank. Now, it depends how much money you borrow, what interest you are paying. So at the end, you might find out that you owe a lot, actually. And in software development, it's the cost of taking shortcuts on writing a quick but messy code to meet the project deadlines. And these shortcuts, they accumulate interest over time, making future work slower and more difficult. As an example for non-techies, imagine that you are building, let's say, treehouse. So instead of using nails, like strong nails, you use the tape to save time for you and costs maybe. So it works for now. Maybe the first day you can enjoy your treehouse, but is it going to be like a strong wind, or just like few days later your construction may like fall out by itself? So what I mean, it works for now, but you definitely need to fix it later. So the tape is the metaphor to your technical debt. You will pay by spending extra time and maybe money fixing what wasn't done properly initially. And in software, if you rush to finish a feature without proper coding practices, you actually accumulate the technical debt. So eventually, you will need to spend extra time cleaning and improving the code to avoid future problems. And if you didn't clean the code for a while and keep accumulating technical debt, sometimes you just need to stop your work, your production, delivering new features, and just spend all of your time and effort on cleaning technical debt. Thank you.